Fall is such a beautiful time of year, and you start to see the birds flock, and here in Michigan you watch them fly away to the south. I've always loved birds. I just ordered a bird quilt. I can't wait to get it. I'm here to find a pillow for it. These are so pretty. I suppose they're not the best taste, but you know, I'm so drawn to these pumpkin pillows. I don't know. Oh, that one is so pretty. It says grateful on it. You know, I want to buy that, but I don't know. Should a single woman have a pillow on her bed that says grateful? I don't know. I gotta think about that. Fall is for pumpkins and apple cider and caramel apples. I love fall.
When you came over, my heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober, and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me.
Hey everybody, I am so happy to see you today. Thank you so much for coming back and seeing me and Desi. I hope you had a good week. You know, I had kind of a, well, you could probably hear it in my voice. I'm getting over my little fall cold, but I'm fine, and I am so happy to be here today. I wanna show you some of my fall decorations. I had so much fun. I didn't have a big budget and I don't have a big apartment, but I had so much fun. I went to Goodwill, I went to Marshall's, I went to Home Goods, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Anyway, I hit all the stores, and I want to show you what I got and why I got it. And I got some really cool finds. I also picked up like 3 or 4 really nice fall cardigans that, if I have time, I want to show you today. But yeah, I had a wonderful time, and I know some of you are thinking, well, when is she going to move? I know you think that. My beautiful apartment is ready for me next spring, and you know, I'm okay with that. I'm loving my time here. I love this apartment, and you know, my son and his wife are going to have a new baby in November. I'm going to be a grandma again, so it's not really the time for me to be moving right now. So I'm so happy to be here, and I want to show you some really unique things that I got for fall. And I did order a beautiful bird quilt. I'm so excited. I think I got the last one on Amazon, but you know, birds are very special to me. What they symbolize, and you know, I wanted a new quilt for fall, and when I saw this one, I thought it was just perfect. So yeah, I want to show you my new quilt. I want to show you my decorations. I want to chit chat with you. I'm just so glad you're here. So yeah, let's do this. Oh, I love this old tray that I got at Goodwill. Isn't that pretty? It's just an old hand-painted old tray, and I think the butterflies are so pretty, and they fit with like my new quilt. The Harvest Collection Luxury Fragrant Decor Potpourri. So well with this little pumpkin spice candle that I got at Home Goods, and my refill of my potpourri. I just love this. I love this type of potpourri because of the shapes. Beautiful things at Home Goods and Marshall's, and you know, I'm thinking that maybe you might, or I wanted to kind of explain why that's not good enough. You know, I like things to be very unique, and I hate things that look ordinary, or like, you know, how some people like things to look perfect and like things to look like a showroom. I'm not that way. I'm not that way about my outfits or my makeup or my home or anything. It's never going to be like a showroom. I like it to be whimsical and unique, and something different. And the things that I really love, the textures, the colors, the glass, all those things, so many times I can't find those things at just normal stores. So I go off to, Goodwill and some of the thrift stores so I can find just something truly unique that speaks to me. So when you walk into my home, you see something and like you're not thinking, oh, I saw that at Home Goods. Oh, I saw that at Bed Bath & Beyond. That's the last thing I want people to think when they walk into my house. I even if they don't like something, I want them to think, oh, that is so her. That is so Sue. Look at that. And that's what makes me truly happy. Of all my shopping, when I was shopping for my fall decorations, my happiest moment was when I was at Goodwill. And you'll see it, I think, in the footage, but I found a hand-blown vase with all my favorite fall colors. And it was so perfect and so beautiful. So I can go buy Dollar Tree flowers, and I can put them in that vase. That vase is probably worth a couple $100. So here I am mixing Dollar Tree flowers with an expensive vase, but I love it. That's what makes it so beautiful and so surprising. And I think that's what decorations should be.
Isn't that beautiful for fall? Mocha colors and browns and olive green. Some teal, just absolutely stunning. Gosh, I think that's just so beautiful. I think that was the find of the week for me. I think that centerpiece is so pretty. That's the one that I found at Goodwill. That's so pretty. I picked up a couple glasses at Goodwill that I really liked. That's a really pretty little harvest pot that I got. I think I picked that up at Marshall's. I just love it. I went to a lot of stores, but my favorite placemats that I found were at Goodwill. I just love these. They're very, very thick. They're high quality. They're like a burlap. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty?
Oh my gosh. Isn't this cool? This is my new bird quilt. I can't wait to show you what it looks like on my bed. But, I feel such a connection, with the birds. And maybe, you're thinking, well, that's not a very sexy bedspread, but to me it is. It makes me happy. Welcome, everybody. This is my bedroom, and this is my new bird quilt. I absolutely love it. It is so whimsical. And it is 100% cotton. It is completely reversible. The colors are so bright. I mean, if you like birds and you like antiques, you would love this quilt. Look at this. It says 1949. It is all done like in old-time fashion postcards. You could pair this with gold sheets, blue sheets. I'm thinking like a beautiful hunter green sheet would go with this, but I think I would prefer the gold sheets. I think one of the reasons I love this quilt so much is, it says 1949, and it's just, the colors are just so vibrant. I have a queen size bed, and this is actually oversized. And I actually have never had a quilt that was reversible that had the same design on both sides. Some people would say, what's up with the fall decorations? What does it matter? But I really do think it does matter. I think anything that cheers us up and makes us happy and makes us feel more connected to our world and the changing seasons, I think it's very, very important. There's a lot of us out there that you know, our families aren't in our same city. We live alone. You know, we need all the cheering up that we can get and a reminder how beautiful things can be, how whimsical. And it's a very loving thing to do for ourselves, to make our surroundings pretty and meaningful. And you don't need a lot of money to do that. And, you know, I wanted to mention, last year Christmas hit me really hard because I had lost someone I loved, and Billy was in the nursing home. And anyway, so I thought, well, I'm not going to put up a tree. Who's going to see the tree? I go to my girlfriend's homes. They're not going to see the tree. And my family lives in another city, so why should I put up a tree? It'd be just for me, right? So I didn't put up the tree. And that was such a huge mistake. You know, Christmas night when I got home from my family's party, it was just me and Desi, and no tree, no Christmas tree, no decorations. It just felt so sad and so isolating. And I wanted to make sure that no matter what, I never, ever gave in to those feelings of, why bother? Why should I bother? The reason I bother is showing love and respect to myself, that I deserve things that are going to make me happy and cheerful and make me feel connected to the holiday. It was a bad mistake, and I learned from it.
Pumpkin kisses, thankful wishes. I love it. Those are so adorable.
Everybody, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you liked the little fall tour of our little place. So have yourself a wonderful brand new week, and when you're done with your week, come back and see us, okay? Okay, it's a deal.
It's a light bulb generation. An idea. An idea can change the world.